reiterate our call for more professionalism and kindness from you, so that you can build trust and provide the care that every patient deserves. It is very important. As Maya Angelou once said, and I quote, "People will forget what you said. People will forget what you did. But people will never forget how you made them feel." So, umufika eklinik, abantu abadala ogogo nomkhulu bethu, uma bebuye ekhaya bebuye eklinik, akakutsheli kahle, akakhumbuli ukuthi utheni. They don't remember what you said. They don't remember how you said it. But they will tell you, "Leya ngane ingiphathe kahle." Because they remember how we treat them. We must always remember that. They always remember how we made them feel. Let us ensure that every patient who stands before us feels respected, valued, and cared for. Because that is the true heart of nursing. I would like to leave you with words of Mama Charlotte Maxeke, which she uttered during the second conference of the National Council of African Women in 1938 in Bloemfontein. A year before her unfortunate demise, she said, and I quote, "This work is not for yourselves. Kill the spirit of self and do not live above your people, but with them. If you rise above them, take somebody with you." Close quote. Singaphakamela abantu esiphila nabo. Singaphakamela abantu abasikhulisile. Singaphakamela abantu abahluphekile ukuze sifike lapha esikhona today. For us to be here today, someone had to struggle for us to be here. No matter how you look at it.